Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 361. Delete tracking manifest file in the PAC CLI. In our last tip, we looked at the manifest file used by the PAC CLI to detect if a component has changed or not when uploading back to the same environment. I mentioned that it also tracked when components are deleted. In this tip, we look at the other manifest file, used to delete those components in other target environments. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The other manifest file that you'll find in the .portalconfig folder is called manifest.yml, which is known as the delete tracking manifest file. Each time you run the PAC CLI download command, the environment manifest file is updated to track the deleted status of components that no longer exist. Those deleted components are also added to the delete tracking manifest file, which is not environment specific. This delete tracking manifest file is used by the upload command every time, regardless of the target environment. So any components listed in the delete tracking manifest file are removed from any target environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 361 on delete tracking manifest file in the PAC CLI useful.